Welcome to 222 Puffin Way, Templeton, California. This beautiful custom home is situated on 1 acre in West Templeton. This single-level home is just under 2,800 square feet. The open floor plan lends itself well to entertaining guests or just relaxing with family. The vaulted ceilings in living room and family room both have stunning wood-burning fireplaces. As you enter the gourmet kitchen, you will be delighted by the beautiful Sub-Zero refrigerator freezer and brand new dishwasher. Viking 48-inch double oven, 4-burner, plus large griddle stovetop. Next to the master suite is a beautifully appointed built-in office. The master bedroom suite is spacious, with walk-in closet with built-ins. The master bathroom has a jetted tub, granite countertops with handmade tile backsplash. The 2 additional bedrooms are on the opposite side of the home with privacy door. This home has a large pool, plus pool house with bath, mature landscaping, mini pond, RV accessible parking, and an extra-large 3-car garage with built-in closet and shelving. Let's not forget to mention the custom shutters and hand-scraped wood floors throughout. Don't miss this fabulous West Templeton home. Call listing agent to set up appointment.